Looking for a catback exhaust system with superb power gains, outstanding build quality, and an impressive exhaust note? This is the COBB catback exhaust system for the Ford Focus RS. This 3-inch stainless steel dual-tip catback exhaust system is a direct OEM replacement that boasts full 304 stainless steel mandrel bent construction, custom inline straight-through resonator plus muffler, and dual-polished 4.5-inch double-wall slash-cut tips. Also features the same plug-and-play OEM exhaust valve found in the stock catback. This exhaust system checks all the boxes. Now available at boombaracing.com. Here, have a listen.